पहुंचे नीदरलैंड के पीएम डिक शूफ ने न्यूज 18 इंडिया से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत की और भारत की जमकर तारीफ भी की। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत में आयोजित एआई सम्मेलन का दुनिया की एआई पॉलिसी पर गहरा असर देखने को मिलेगा।
Do you believe will have the most impact on global AI policy?
So I think that the countries that were present at the conference yesterday and today all believe in the same aspect and really want to work together with business, with universities, with knowledge institutions and governments together, and what we call in the Netherlands the golden triangle, to work very closely together to make sure we create this responsible AI and take full opportunity of AI at the same time, because it's a very important movement that if we have to catch up, and if we don't, we are on the wrong side of the economy.